Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help you add the product comparison feature on your WooCommerce website. Let me show you an example of the WooCommerce product comparison. This is the shop page of the dummy WooCommerce website, and I want to compare these three products. I want to compare the pricing as well as the features of these three products. So you will see a compare button here. I'm going to click on the first button. So this product will be added for the comparison, and when I click on the second product, it will show the comparison table. Now here you will see two products are added for the comparison. You will see the pricing, the description, the quantity in stock, weight, dimension, and the price. Now below that you will see related products. So it will also show the related products for the comparison. If you want to add any product from the related products, you can add that product for the comparison. If I click on this one, it will get added to the comparison table. You will see the third product here. You can customize which fields will be added for the comparison, such as price, description. This plugin has the free as well as the premium version. So we will start with the free plugin, and later I'm going to install the premium version also, and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium plugin. So let's see how we can install the free WooCommerce product compare plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and I'm using WooCommerce on this dummy website. Now we are going to install a free plugin which will help you add the comparison of products on your WooCommerce website. So let's go to plugins and click on add new, and here search for WooCommerce compare. So this is the plugin YITH WooCommerce compare. This is a free version of the plugin. This plugin has the premium version. I'll show you how the premium version works. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how to install this WPC Smart Compare for WooCommerce plugin. This is the video that I created before. So you can watch this video also, and you can compare both the plugins and then decide which one will be the better option for your WooCommerce website. So let's go back to plugins and install this plugin YITH WooCommerce compare and click on activate. Now in the left hand panel, you will see this option YITH. Go to compare. Here you will see the basic settings of this plugin. Link or a button. So you want to show the link or a button to compare. As of now, it is set to the button option, so I'm going to keep it as it is. This is the text that will show on the button. Show button in single product page, show button in product list, that will be on the shop page, and it will open the light box automatically. I'll show you how does this work. This is the table title. So let's not make any changes here. Let's go to the shop page of this WooCommerce website. Now on the shop page, you will see this button is added on each product. If I go to single product page, you will see the button is also added on the single product page. So if I want to compare these two products, I can click on compare, and it will open the light box with the comparison table. It has only one product, so I'm going to close this one, and let's add another product. Now you will see two products are added here, and you will see the pricing, then short description, then we have in stock, weight, dimension. Now let's add one more product, and you will see three products in the comparison table. So these are the fields which is showing in the comparison. Let's go to the settings again, and you will see these fields are available. Right now these products are dummy products and they do not have all the fields. So whatever field is available, it is showing that field here for the comparison. Now here you will see repeat price field at the end of the table. So I'm going to enable this, and repeat add to cart at the end of the table. So I'm going to enable this also. And here we have button. I'm going to keep it as it is. Button looks good. Let's click on save options. Let's go back, close this one, and let's refresh it. Let's add this product to the comparison table, and you will see that product is added. Now we have the price at the top, and you will see the price at the end also, and this is the add to cart button. So it is going to repeat the price and add to cart button at the end. So this is how the comparison table will look. Now if you want to use link instead of button, you can change that to link and click on save options. If you do not want any of these fields in the comparison table, you can simply uncheck that box and it will not show that field in the comparison table. Just go back, refresh it, and now you will see a link instead of a button. Alright, so this is how the free plugin works. Now I do have the premium version of this plugin, so I'm going to install the premium version. Let's go to plugins and let me deactivate the free version. Now let me show you the website of this plugin. This is the plugin website YITH WooCommerce Compare, and the price of this plugin is $69.99 per year, and you will see all the features of this plugin here. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box, and if there is any discount coupon available, I'll mention that in the description box. So you can use my link if you want to buy this plugin. Let's go back to plugins, click on add new. I have this plugin downloaded, so I'm going to upload the plugin now. Click on upload plugin and browse the plugin and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Alright, so the premium plugin is activated. Let's go to YITH compare. Now you would see many other tabs are added in the dashboard. It is set to link. I'm going to change it to button again. Here you will see another option. You can show the comparison on a pop-up, or you can use a page to show the comparison. So what it will do, it is going to create a page for the comparison. You can add the page in the main menu or in the sidebar, and whenever someone clicks on compare, it is going to add the product on that particular page. Let's go back, and here I'm going to set it to pop-up only. And here you will see, if you want to select a page for the comparison, you can select the page, or it is going to create a page. This is the link text or the button text. Link or button text for products already in compare. Now you will see all these settings are available. Show button in product list. So these are basic settings. Open light box. If you want to exclude any category, you can exclude the category from the list. Next, save the options. The next tab is comparison table. So you can customize the comparison table. This is the title, and this is show table in pop-up or page. Dynamic attribute fields, add custom attributes. It has unchecked product info and rating. Request a code. Repeat price field. So these are the same settings. Highlight different values. I'm going to enable it. Number of fixed columns. So the fixed column will be the first column. So you can make it as fixed, and limit the compare products. Let's say I'm going to limit only 3 products in the comparison table, and I want to show clear all button also. Just save the options. Next tab is social network site sharing. It will give you an option to share it on social network site. Next is a related product. So it is going to show the related products just below the comparison table. Visible numbers 4. Autoplay. If there is any slider autoplay, it will show it. Style. Here you can change the color settings for the comparison table. Build shortcode. So this is the shortcode that you can use on any page. All right, now let's go back to the shop page. Let's refresh it. Here you will see the comparison button. If I click on view compare, these are the products which were added before, so I'm going to remove them. Here you will see remove option, so I'm going to remove all the products. Close it. Let's refresh it. Right now let's add this product to the comparison. Next one is compare. So now here you have noticed that it has opened the pop-up when we added the second product. It has not opened the product when we clicked on the first product. It has opened the light box when we added the second product for the comparison. Here you will see 2 products, and below that you will see the related products that this is the option that we enabled. So it is going to show the related products. If you want to add these products to the comparison, you can click on it and it will get added. Here you will see the third product is added, and here you will see another option, clear all. So it is going to delete all the products from the comparison table. So this is how the YITH WooCommerce Compare plugin works. If you want to buy this plugin, you can use my link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.